So on this video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok search bar not working or not showing, or you have a glitch. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone like this. Go to the apps manager. Now go to TikTok. Here on this page you will find many options. All what you have to do is open the notifications management option. Right here, make sure to enable all those notifications from the first one to the last one. And after that, go back and click on this option. It's called data usage. And make sure to enable also all the options right here. And after that, all what you have to do now is just click on this force stop right here and then go to the storage. Now here click on clear data and clear cache. Now restart your phone and congratulations, the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.